Hey everybody, it's Ken with Two Drunk Brothers Garage. Ray couldn't be here today. He's at work. I have a little project today. I'm going to be working on my 1999 Dodge Durango. The muffler is starting to fall apart, so I went and bought a new thrust glass pack for it. So I'll be cutting the old muffler out and putting the new muffler in with a little more exhaust pipe to take up the space. I will turn the camera around and get underneath the car and show you what I got going on, and we'll get this show on the road. Okay everyone, here's the glass pack I bought. It's a thrust, and got a little more 2.5 inch exhaust pipe that I'll have to cut down to finish the space, because this muffler, I'm going to pull it out of the box here, excuse the closeness, but that's what she looks like. 28 inches long. I need like 35.5 inches in total length that I'm going to be cutting out from the old muffler. So I'll be cutting a little bit off that one. This muffler, got it from O'Reilly's. It's got a little bit of indentation here on the end of the pipe. I told the guy if he gives me a little bit of discount that I would take that dent. Now I can just take a pair of pliers or whatever, or take a piece of that exhaust pipe and get it in there to round it back out. But we'll go. But that's what I'm going to put on there. Got a couple clamps that I'll be using, but this is the 99 Dodge Durango. I'm using it for my work vehicle. Now, I've had this since 2006. I need to get a light. It's been a good vehicle. It's got almost 239,000 miles on it. It still runs great. Has a few oil leaks, nothing too major. But I'll show you what the muffler's doing. And this is the factory muffler from 1999. It's not loud yet, but the skin is starting to come off of the muffler. And I got a little, it's old. I got a little cancer on the passenger side doors. I actually have some donor doors that I need to get on here. But this is what the muffler's doing. It's, the shield's coming off of the outside of the muffler. It's a big muffler, as you can see. But I'm going to cut it off right where it hooks onto the exhaust pipe right here. I take the Sawzall, cut it off right there. I'll slide the new muffler around right here and clamp it down. And then right back here, right at the bend here, also I'll take and cut this off. Right there by the clamp, and then I will cut the next little piece of exhaust pipe and fit it in there, and I'll have a nice little rumble to the Durango, a little more than what it has. So I'm gonna turn this off for a minute. I'm gonna go get my tools, get the Sawzall, and get this cut out of here, and we'll get the new one up. Okay, I got the muffler cut down, as you can see, but I didn't realize that up in here there is a hanger right there that I have to get the rest of the muffler off. So I'll be taking that down here in just a second. Okay, I'm going to spray these little rubber mounts where the muffler, with some WD-40 where the muffler bracket goes in here. And maybe I can get these to slide out of here kind of easy. We'll see. Don't know if it's gonna just slide right out or not. Might want to move the camera back a little bit. I don't know if that just took you out of, but we'll get this maybe popped out of here. I don't know. These things can be a pain in the butt to get out of here. But we'll show you progress. So there's 2 bolts up here holding this hardware up here for the end of the muffler. I'm going to just take those off and try to, instead of trying to slide those off the rubbers, they're not coming very good. I'll get it down with taking the 2 bolts off. I brought a 15 millimeter and a 14 millimeter. I don't know exactly what size it is. Oh, that's 14 millimeter. It might be 13 millimeter. So I think I'm going to have to go back and get a smaller socket. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I got a 13 millimeter socket, and that's what she is. So I'll get these broke loose and down, and we'll get this done. Okay, muffler's out. As you can see, I gotta get this bracket back off of here. I gotta get these. It was hard to get those rubber mounts off, but I gotta get this bracket off here and gotta put it back under here because it holds the heat shield up under here. Let me get back on the creeper so I can show you the heat shield. Oh, so this heat shield needs to go back up in there so I can put the exhaust back in there. But yeah, I'll get this bracket off this muffler, then I'll get that back up there, then we'll go and get the rest of the rest of the muffler up and stuff. So I got this put some WD-40 on these, and grab a pair of vice grip or channel locks and pry it off, and they come right off with a little lubrication. I don't think I'll be using that, but I'm going to put this back to hold the heat shield back up, and then we'll get the new muffler and pipe fitted. Okay, I got the bracket. I'm going to put this back on here, and we'll get this on here. Where'd my other bolt go? There it is. So I need to take and pull this down a little bit here. I don't want to bend it though too awful bad. I had it bent pretty bad before. Gotta get
get under here so I can work. One of these days, I'm going to have a lift. Wait a minute. It needs to go this way, I think. Put a bolt through right here. These bolts going from the top on this one. That one started. Let me get this one started. What the heckaroni's here? Oh, it just got bent. Just got bent a little bit. Oh. I hope it ain't gonna be a pain in the butt now to get that in there. Because that heavy muffler will just bend it all up. And of course, everything fights. Everything has to fight, you know? Well, let me do this another way, maybe. Goodness gracious. Where'd my ratchet go? Right. I don't know if I can. Sorry about the noise, people. It's loud. Sorry. But that's what happens when you're working on stuff. It gets loud. Loud and proud. That one went in nice and easy. All right, now 2 more bolts to put in right back up in here. And of course, what the heck? Now my holes don't line up for this. That ain't good. How did that happen? Okay, I might have to take and undo those a little bit and line my holes up a little better here. Because oh, the dirt. But this is a 20-some-year-old car. Got all kinds of dirt underneath it. Whoop, too far. Okay. Now we need to I'm probably gonna have to use the ratchet to put that back up in there. Still not lining up right. And it never fails that your safety glasses fog up when you're trying to do stuff. Come on, bolt. Get in the hole. Might just have to run that sucker up in there. I don't know if that's... I may have stripped the hole out. I don't know. Where'd my other bolt go to now? There it is. Yeah, I'm probably going to use the ratchet on those other ones. So I'll grab my ratchet again. Get that put back up there. Yeah. I want to go tighten here. Okay, Alex, this is the Durango without the muffler on it. Hopefully you can hear it good because I have an external mic on. We'll see what she sounds like. Okay, got this muffler. I got to try to pull that dent out of there. I just had a pair of pliers. There they are. I will get this bent and see if I can get it to fit onto exhaust pipe. I'm hoping this will work okay. Oh yeah. So as you can see, the length of this muffler is 28 inches long and it's 2.5 inside diameter, which is good. So I can just slip this stuff right on. But they knocked, this muffler was $36 at O'Reilly's, and he knocked it down to $32 for me because I had the dent in it. I asked him if he could do me any better. He says all I can do is $4. Perfect fit there. So hopefully that'll fit on the existing, or I'll turn it around. I don't think there's an in and out on this, so I don't think it'll hurt it too bad. There's a little bit of a ding on this end. I'm just gonna pull up on it a little bit just to make sure it slides on my one end. Is going to go on the existing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go slide this on the front half and get it slid onto the existing exhaust pipe, and then I will take and I'll take the new piece, and one end is flared. I'll put it on the other end, and then I'll measure how much more I need. Okay, I'm going to slide this on. Hopefully this will slide on this without having to, oh yeah, get that slid on all the way. That's probably pretty good. And then I'll have to line this up so it lines up. I got to put the piece right here. I got to get this piece here lined up with a piece of the new stuff. I got to measure that. I'm gonna grab my tape measure here real quick, wherever I just put it. There it is. So I got to get this lined back up. Pull some tape out here. And I'm praying to God that this, I have enough. I don't think I have enough. I don't know if I have enough. It's got to go in there. It's got to go on there. This may or may not. I'm going to try to cut it. I want to say 11 inches and see what I get. I don't know if this is going to exactly work the way I want it to, because I just noticed I don't have too much to work with here. As long as I can get the clamp on there and it holds, that's all I care about. Okay, I'm going to measure out 11 inches and pray to God that I have enough, because if I mess this up, because that end is flared out. I'm going to give myself just a little extra. A little extra, about 11 1/8. And I'll cut that off right there, and hopefully it'll be all good. We'll zoom that in a little bit there. And hopefully I can cut this and it won't move on me. Oh, might hopefully lock this down though. Don't need the vise to move on me, if you know what I mean. I don't know if I could just get the... Oh, Millie. Almost got that cord. Alrighty. So we got that cut off. Now hopefully, not the straightest cut, but it'll work. Now here goes the moment of truth. Hopefully that I can get this to fit good. We will see. And I brought the clamps over with me. The fun part is going to be getting this on here. So pretty sure I can get that in there. The other part is getting this in here and making it fit. I just don't think that I don't know if I have enough on the curvature. I'm just going to tighten her down as best as I can. I don't know where. Oh, yeah, that's what I thought was going to happen. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that in there and hold it or not. But we will dang sure try. Oh, I got that on wrong. This goes over top. And then this bad boy goes up here. Come on, you little... Excuse me. Okay, that nut's on. I don't know why this one don't want to... There she goes. She don't want to cooperate. We are going to find out if I can get enough zappy on this bad boy to make it work. Excuse. I had to put that on there. Front end. All right. Let's see if this is going to stay in here or not. Okay, there's one clamp on. Uh-oh. Droppy. I think that's tight enough on that one. Now we'll go down here for the lower one down here. If you can see, I don't know how well we're aimed. Get the other clamp on. If you guys ever buy these clamps, before you go home, always check them, because I've bought clamps before that don't have the nuts in them. And it sucks when you live a little bit away from the auto parts store and you have to go back in the town and get them. I'm trying to hurry up because my battery's trying to die on my phone. I don't want to break using my big gun. Okay, so there is, I think that's pretty stable. I might take and get some muffler tape and maybe, just depends. It's pretty skewered. I'm not going to worry about it too much. But there's a new muffler on the Durango. I will start it up and let you guys hear it. Oh, man. Okay, I'm going to start it up and we'll see what the thing sounds like. I don't know, I think that sounds pretty good myself. I think a job well done to myself. All right, we'll close this out here and get it on the channel. Okay, everybody, that's the wrap up of this video of putting the new muffler on my 99 Dodge Durango. Went pretty smooth. Other than I wasn't expecting to have to deal with that heat shield bracket and the muffler hanger, but it worked out pretty good. Everything seems to be fitting good, and appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you would like, comment, and subscribe to the Two Drunk Brothers channel. This is Ken saying cheers to y'all. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, please. And hopefully Ray will be home soon to do some videos with me again. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, brother. See you when you get home here soon.